Let's look at an additive property example. We're asked to find the area under the graph of this function over this interval. Notice this is a piecewise defined function, and that the way the function is defined changes in the inside of this interval that we're trying to integrate over. The piece changes at x equals -1. When x is on the left of -1 or equal to -1, we need to use this piece. When x is to the right of -1, we need to use this piece. To integrate a function, you have to have the same definition of the function over the whole interval you're integrating. So we can't not integrate directly from -3 to 5 because the function is defined two different ways. So we have to break up the integral into the definite integral from -3 to -1, and then add that to the definite integral from -1 to 5. This uses the additive property. So this integral will give us the area underneath the curve in this interval, and this definite integral will give us the area underneath the curve in the second interval from -1 to 5. Now we just add these two definite integrals together, and that gives us the total area we're looking for. Now let's find these definite integrals. We can use the TI-84 to do that for us. I can use the integral button, option 9. The first integral is -3 to -1 of x plus 1. Then I do plus the second integral, which is -1 to 5 of negative x squared plus 4x plus 5, and then I do dx. So now I have the total area. If I click enter, I should get the answer. However, notice it's telling me error syntax. What do you think this could be? Whenever you get this message, use the go to figure out what the problem is. It's taking me here. I clicked minus instead of clicking a negative symbol. The calculator sees this as two different things, so if there's nothing to the left of your negative symbol, make sure you use this symbol instead of this one. So the negative symbol instead of the minus sign. So I'll fix those issues. And now let's click enter and see what we get. 34. So we know the total area is 34.